Hi everyone, it's Eddie Muradyan with another episode behind the scenes. This one is at the Chevy Chase Country Club, and it is actually someone really super extra special to me, right? I keep talking about clients, but this happens to be my daughter's Sweet 16. And I've chosen a kind of a funky retro theme. It's got a lot of fun elements. It's more of a kids party. So I try to create a kind of a lounge, fun atmosphere for the kids to see. I mean, wait until you see the details. I mean, everything is so on point, so fun, artsy, and yet playful, right? So let's go inside and see what I came up with in this episode. So then give me the second one here, right? So that there's room for the buffet. Just give me this much space in between. So if I were you, I would bring this over here, right? Yeah, and then start the other one right here so that there's evenness. So come halfway, like not halfway, 3/4.
5 feet.
Yeah, so that the balloons cover and then start doing your flowers. Because if you do the flowers up on top, it's not gonna show. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
Cut it, put it on that corner where you're gonna start your flowers, and then let me see what I'm gonna do, yeah? Yeah, but baby, listen, if you take it from here, it's enough to give you another, look at how much it's giving you a whole lot more. You know what I want? When you finish everything, we might go in one more layer underneath. If you're gonna do it that way, I would come from here so this window is covered. Because in the picture, it's gonna show this. So like I'm gonna do two sofas here because we have enough space, yeah? Two sofas there. Coffee table.
We have the third.
You have it. He made that for me. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Move that one too. So this side is good. How many side tables do we have?
6.
Okay. And then you have 2 armchairs coming, right? This is your center. Okay. I want a long rectangular table right in back of that couch, one, so that the kids don't feel like, if I put them here, this is where the adults are, they might not want to be here. So let's do it there, because we only have 3. Originally I was thinking we do 1, 1, 1 like this, but because we don't have space in the front of that, I don't want to block that, we'll do it that way. So start with that, because that's your center. So the more you do it, this is great, Lulu. This side is great. Go and add over here, even break this up, yeah? So let me take you into the space, guys. If you look at this, the country club is very rustic in feeling. It's got a lot of brown elements, and what I wanted to do is I wanted to break it apart. Come. I've created this amazing photo opportunity space, and I'm now going to soften it up with all this leftover. Here we go. I'm gonna put this here, and I'm gonna put some of this over here, and we're done, right? So this would be a great, fantastic photo opportunity space for the kids to have fun with. Look at all this fun stuff. This is all like Mylar curtains that I've done. And I actually, if you guys don't know, I used to be in the balloon business. So instead of hiring a balloon person this time, I wanted to personally myself do the balloons in this space. As you can see, there's all these fringes and these curtains. And if you look at it, we kind of got inspired by pop art, Andy Warhol pop art. So if you look at some of the elements there, like the cake, the display of the cake area, where the French fries and the hamburgers that are going to be served for the kids, we did a lot of cool, funky stuff. Anyways, look, another magic happened today. Hey everyone, it is Eddie Muradyan. If this is the first time you're tuning into my YouTube channel, I want to thank you. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Like, comment, share the video so the whole world knows how I inspire. You can follow me on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, of course, eddiesmuradyan.com, my website that has a lot of information. I appreciate you all tuning in. I have to go back, look at this Sweet 16 beautiful pop art Andy Warhol inspired cake that our dear friend Dress My Cake did for us. And actually, Melanie is a twin, so Melanie and Michael are twins. Of course, he's a boy, so he doesn't want to, celebrate his Sweet 16. But I'm gonna go finish this party up because there's a lot of details, and I want to make sure that she's completely thrilled and happy. Hey everyone, so I am completely done. I can't wait for you to see the complete details of this. I think Melanie's gonna be super stoked and happy of what I created for her. She has no idea. She has seen little elements here and there, but I think she's gonna be beyond thrilled. I hope the kids have a lot of fun, and thank you so much for tuning in on the YouTube channel. I see you guys later. Thank you. Peace out.